One thing that people don't realize, and I think we're seeing this more and more throughout the entire state of Utah, wherever you are, you don't have to be in Utah, obviously. I think more people are suffering, maybe not necessarily a physical injury as much. I mean, obviously they do, right? That's what we just talked about. But in addition to the physical side of, the injury consideration, people are suffering mental and emotional trauma from accidents more than ever. And I think that the insurance companies need to hear that and see that. And so even though they may not have suffered like a broken bone or something that may manifest on an x-ray from a car accident, even though more oftentimes than not they do, people do, and I would say 100% suffer from some level of emotional trauma from a car accident or any type of injury.
Yeah, one of our therapists that we work with, pretty frequently, that a lot of clients go to, and some of that's because they'll work off of a medical lien. I was just talking to him, and pretty small child doing therapy, and I was kind of just asking, what's your thoughts on the therapy and how's it going? And he said, well, I think we figured out pretty quick because now mom is also meeting with a different therapist than what the child's meeting with, because even the parent was kind of projecting some of their issues on what the child was suffering was really a lot of the parent's trauma from the act, because it was a serious accident. And I thought it was interesting that, I think a lot of us think, we're tough enough. I don't need it, but sure, you need therapy, or we can, everyone else in my family probably needs it. Cause this was really traumatizing.
You need it.
And the therapist was saying,
you need it, actually.